everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Yeah. What? You got to go over there? Okay. No, you're not. Look. Okay, sorry y'all. I'm trying to find a parking spot. We are out running errands today. Actually, we're at Walmart, and Quan is trying to fight for a parking spot. So I'm trying to pay attention to what's going on. But yeah, we're at Walmart because we have to get a few things. We're supposed to be getting trash bags, but we'll see if we just get trash bags because y'all know how it can be. I have to go look in the kids section, and then I'm gonna see some cute Halloween pajamas or something, and I know I'm gonna want to get them if Quan lets me. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. So I guess I'll see you guys when we go in there. So yeah, we're walking to Walmart, y'all. We got our little munchkins with us today. How much y'all want to bet King's gonna worry us to death about a TOI? Watch, because his daddy told him that he could have one, and he's gonna mention it while we in here. You know that, don't you? Don't you know that? Ooh. He's guilty. They're running in. It's always awkward walking in public, y'all. People be staring like I don't know what. Hey, sweet Bowie. Huh? You getting them? Yeah. Okay. Alright. They surrounded in our plastic plates and cups. Okay. No, they said about a baby owl, and that's right there. Walmart's about to give some free stuff away. We're gonna see what we can get. We're gonna see what we can get. Baby toys. King always has to play with something. My kid is one of those kids who has to touch something every time he comes in the store. Even if you say don't touch nothing, he's gonna touch it. It's just what he does. Hey guys, so I'm in here and they have these cute little onesies for 3 to 6. I'm trying to see if I can find. Don't have one for Keegan's size. This one says 3 to 6, but I think he's about in the 6 to 9. So never too on the clearance racks for stuff. That's not his size. So let me go over here. They have these cute little soft pants for little girls, and they're so thick and warm, and the little bottom of them is kind of scrunchy like a jogger pants. Cha-Cha looks so cute in it. Huh? You like that? You love pajamas. Who, Keegan? Okay, let's go right here. I don't know exactly. Yeah, he's getting big. Let's see the shirt. Mommy, I'm gonna get these. You like those? I don't think they have your size, baby. These are for like the little kids. Like babies, like your brother. There's no boys. The boy section is over there. Look at these little shoes. Keegan does not have shoes. He just wears socks. So, should we get him like sleepers?
My boy can buy some 12 months right now.
Oh, Mommy, I know. Keegan can wear like shoes. Mommy.
12 months?
Mommy, I know.
He's talking about he can wear 12 months. No, he can't. He needs 9. He needs 6 to 9 months, baby.
Easy. 12 months.
He needs 6 to 9, but we about to finish arguing and shopping, y'all. So I'll see y'all in a few. Okay, y'all. So we are back home. And I'm just going to show y'all really quick what I got from Walmart. I didn't get much, but when we went in there, I told y'all we were supposed to go there. What do you need, baby? Okay. Hold on, y'all.
Hey.
I can't see you, baby, but hold up. Let's turn this up. Okay, so I got these. These are for like the little kids. 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 These are for like
So I can see it?
Hold on, baby.
I want the water.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
What are you watching?
Fine. I'm eating something cool.
Okay.
And I'm going to
Hold up, yeah. Here you go. Here. So, yeah, we were supposed to go in there and get trash bags, but I tell y'all know how I am. Keegan is a big boy. Like, for him to be 6 months, he's huge, which means he's growing out of all of his clothes. So, I picked up a few things for him. Just show y'all what I got. So, I got these cute little khaki joggers with this little drawstring right here. And then they just get tied around the ankles. Really, really cute. And then to match that, his daddy picked out this cute little sweatshirt with these little mooses and raccoons on it. It's gonna be so cute. What else? I got a whole bag of stuff, y'all. Hold up, bear with me. Got that. Everything is in separate bags. We needed trash bags, so we got some trash bags for the leaves or whatever Fawn is doing with trash bags. He got some little comfortable jogging pants, also a little tight around the ankles. He got him a gray pair. I got him a black pair. The little skinny ankles. And I got this in 6 to 9 because it looks kind of like it's kind of running big. So I got these. And then I picked up this little shirt in 6 to 9 months to go with one of those pair of pants. I got this little shirt, so cute, to go with a pair of pants. And then I got navy blue pants, just like the gray and black ones. So that's all I got for them for now, but that was just a little quick Walmart run. We got some paper cups, and Charlie ate. She got hungry while we were in Walmart, so she ate the cup. And we got some paper towels. My child also opened up the paper towels in Walmart because she was just crazy. So she was eating paper towels too. Anytime I go to Walmart, y'all, I have to get this. Like, it's just, if you have not ever gotten one of these, and then I just smelled it. Like, I walked past it and I smelled it. This is the lemon pepper rotisserie chicken. And it comes in this little, oh my gosh, I'm so ready to eat this. Like, I had to get this for lunch. My camera's not focusing, but I can just, oh, I can taste the juice. It's good. So then I got some paper plates because, like I said, some days I just don't want to wash dishes. So, paper plates. And then, since I told you guys I wasn't trying to carve pumpkins without Quan, I figured the kids and I could decorate cookies tonight. Some fun little Halloween cookies, and it comes with the icing and the candy, so we'll probably be decorating some cookies. I'll probably put on like a little Halloween movie, pop some popcorn, and just enjoy my baby's company like we do. So, yeah, that's all I got from Walmart today. And now Quan is about to go to work, so I'm probably going to clean up the kitchen a little bit, straighten up, cut up this chicken, and feed the kids. Keegan, it's about time for his nap, so he's probably about to take a nap. I'm tired of looking down at y'all. My little tripod is small, but yeah, so that's what we're about to do. No plans for the rest of the day, but just kind of hang out and lounge around. And King is right here watching Ryan. I'm so hot. Like, it was, went out there this morning and I about froze to death. It was like 45 degrees here, and then went out just a few minutes ago and I'm about to burn up and die. Like, North Carolina's weather is just crazy. Just like that day we had that hurricane come through and it was looking so bad outside, and then it's just like the next day it was sunny. So have chicken. You can't have chicken, man. I'm so sorry. You relaxing, buddy? You feeling better? A little bit. You got me watching Ryan. This little man is tearing my nerves up over here. He's getting upset about my chicken. He wants some of my chicken, and he can't have it. No, you cannot have no chicken, man. I'm so sorry. You see how upset he got, y'all? Like, he takes food so seriously. He's so cute. Man, you over it now? I'm glad his little hair is growing back. His hair started to fall out. So it was like a little headband of bald in the back. So now it's starting to grow back. But, okay, crazy boy. Watching some. So yeah, we're gonna hang out for a little bit, and Charlie's taking her nap. So when she's done, we'll probably wake up and decorate some cookies, those cookies. And then I'll start dinner. I'm thinking fish maybe, we'll see. Huh? You wanna decorate Halloween cookies? Yeah?
No, not me.
Okay. Are you crawling? He's finally starting to crawl the correct way. Let me see you.
Mommy, look.
Get him.
Look,
Yay! What's that, buddy?
He has a new hand. He has a boxing hand.
What's in your hand?
Look.
Huh?
He has a boxing hand. See?
Yeah, I see it. Good job, buddy. Here, get those snacks. Get it. Plate. Here's your plate, King. Hold on. Let me make sure both of y'all. Keegan is over there eating his snack because he acting like he can't sit still. So we're gonna put these right here so y'all both can use them. Hold on, Mama. Okay. And so it came with some little regular vanilla cookies, so I know they're gonna like these. And then, hold on, King. Don't decorate yours yet, okay? What you doing? Is it good, man? Is it good? You love those little puffs, don't you? You love those puffs. Okay. Here, Mama. King, you always gotta have a toy at the table. Okay, Charlie's eating hers before we can even start. And should Mommy make one? Yeah? Okay. And I'm gonna make one, y'all.
I want this
Get mine's out of here.
I want this.
You're gonna do orange. Charlie's eating hers. She's like, girl, but I'm not decorating nothing. Okay, so let's decorate.
Got all wet. Me and Keegan got wet and Cha-Cha. You know, you have some in your nose. She was doing that.
Keegan, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're moving too fast, man. Uh-oh. Okay, he's over here messing. He's getting into his curious stages. Okay, man, let's go. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? The other two are waiting for their popcorn while they watch their movie. And I'm about to go make that right now for them. Keegan is probably going to give us a fuss because he's tired. So, you want popcorn, buddy? Want popcorn? Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button to become a lounger. And if you want to be notified when we upload, go ahead and click that notification bell. We love you guys to the moon and back. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye y'all.